In Manipur, the election authority has taken up all measurements to conduct the re-polling in 6 polling stations of the Outer Manipur parliamentary constituency today. India strongly protested Khalistan slogans raised at a public event in Canada, which was being personally addressed by the Prime Minister of Canada. IMD has forecast heat wave conditions to continue over South Peninsular India during the next 4 days. India has rejected the recent report in the Washington Post on alleged assassination plot of Khalistani terrorist Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. In boxing, Brijesh Tamta, Sagar Jakar and Sumit reached the semi-finals of the ASBC Asian Under-22 and Youth Boxing Championships 2024 in Astana yesterday.